Hey guys, today we're going to flush the candy wrappers down the 1996 Kohler Wellworth Lite. Since it can't mostly take the rags, let's see if it can take the candy wrappers. Alright, here we go. Wow, it miraculously took it. I did not expect that. I was expecting to leave it like a lot behind. Next up, I shoved half of the amount of candy wrappers in the trapway, and there's the other half in the bowl. Let's see if it flushes or if it clogs. Huh, still took it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.